Hey guys, in this video, we're diving into the top 5 best cabin air filters available on the market right now. Whether you're looking for better filtration, improved HVAC performance, or just an easy replacement option, we've got you covered. All the product links are in the description below. So let's get started. Coming in at number 5 is the A Premium Cabin Air Filter. This filter is designed specifically for high-end Toyota and Lexus models, including the Tacoma, Tundra, GX550, and LS500. It features a multi-layer screen with activated carbon for high-efficiency filtration, ensuring that airborne contaminants like dust and pollen are kept out of your vehicle's cabin. The design is impressively durable, with dimensions that make it a perfect fit for the listed models. However, its compatibility with a narrower range of vehicles is one of its limitations. The activated carbon layer does a fantastic job of neutralizing odors and improving the overall air quality inside the vehicle. Although it's not reusable or washable, regular replacement every 12,000 miles is recommended for optimal performance. While the A Premium is a solid choice for Toyota and Lexus owners, its higher weight compared to other filters and limited compatibility make it more of a niche product. If you own one of the compatible vehicles, this filter can be a great investment for maintaining clean air in your cabin. However, for broader compatibility or lighter options, you may want to explore alternatives. At number 4, we have the Puroma Cabin Air Filter with activated carbon. This filter is compatible with a wide range of Honda and Acura models, including the Civic, CR-V, Odyssey, and MDX, making it a versatile option for many drivers. It combines a soda-woven layer with activated carbon to effectively neutralize odors and capture contaminants, ensuring fresh, clean air for passengers. The build quality is robust, and the filter features a close-meshed, non-woven layer for enhanced filtration. This design not only protects your cabin from pollutants, but also helps to extend the life of your HVAC system by improving its overall efficiency. Installation is a breeze, taking just about 10 minutes, thanks to the clearly marked airflow direction on the filter. While the Puroma filter delivers excellent performance at a reasonable price, it's not without drawbacks. Some users have mentioned that it has a slightly heavier build compared to competitors, which might not matter for everyone, but is worth noting. Additionally, it's recommended to replace it more frequently if you drive in heavily polluted environments. Overall, it's a reliable, easy-to-install option with great compatibility for Honda and Acura vehicles. Taking the third spot is the EPAuto CP285 Cabin Air Filter. Designed for Mazda vehicles like the Mazda 3, Mazda 6, and CX-5, this filter is a fantastic upgrade for anyone looking to improve air quality in their car. It features activated carbon to neutralize odors and soda to create a fresh, clean environment inside the cabin. The filtration system is efficient, capturing a wide range of airborne contaminants while boosting HVAC performance. It's lightweight at just 4.2 ounces, making it easy to install and replace. EPAuto recommends changing the filter every 12,000 miles or 12 months, so it's perfect for regular maintenance schedules. The downside, its compatibility is somewhat limited to Mazda models, which might be a deal breaker for non-Mazda owners. However, if you're driving one of the compatible vehicles, this filter offers an excellent balance of performance and price. It's an easy choice for Mazda drivers who want to ensure a fresh and clean cabin environment. Our runner-up is the ECOGARD XC35519 Cabin Air Filter. This budget-friendly option has earned its place here thanks to its excellent compatibility with a wide range of Honda vehicles, including the Accord, CR-V, Civic, and Odyssey. At just $9.63, it delivers exceptional value for money. The EcoGuard filter is lightweight and well-built, with a design that ensures a snug fit in compatible vehicles. It's a straightforward replacement part that doesn't include activated carbon or soda, but it's still effective at trapping dust and debris from entering your cabin. For someone looking for a no-frills solution to keep their car's interior clean, this is a solid choice. The main drawback of the EcoGuard filter is its lack of advanced filtration capabilities, like odor-neutralizing carbon layers. However, for its price, it's hard to beat for basic filtration needs. It's a fantastic option for anyone on a budget who owns a compatible Honda vehicle. Finally, taking the top spot is the EPAuto CP285 Premium Cabin Air Filter. This filter is a versatile powerhouse, compatible with a wide range of vehicles from Toyota, Lexus, Subaru, Jaguar, and more. It includes activated carbon for odor control and soda for a fresh cabin atmosphere, making it one of the most advanced options on the list. The EPAuto CP285 is built for performance, enhancing your vehicle's HVAC system while keeping the air inside your car clean and healthy. With its lightweight design and ease of installation, it's a favorite among consumers who want premium quality without the hassle. It's also one of the highest-rated filters on the market, boasting a 4.7-star average from over 42,000 reviews. The only downside to this filter is its slightly higher price point compared to simpler options like the ECOGARD. Enhancing your vehicle's HVAC system while keeping the air inside your car clean and healthy. With its lightweight design and ease of installation, it's a favorite among consumers who want premium quality without the hassle. However, given its advanced filtration capabilities and broad compatibility, it's worth every penny. If you want the best of the best, the EPAuto CP285 is the filter to get. Enhancing your vehicle's HVAC system while keeping the air inside your car clean and healthy. With its lightweight design and ease of installation, it's a favorite among consumers who want premium quality without the hassle. A 7.5-star average from over 42,000 reviews. The only downside to this filter is its slightly higher price point compared to simpler options like the ECOGARD. Thanks for watching, guys. I hope you enjoyed this in-depth review of the top 5 cabin air filters. If this video was helpful, don't forget to like, comment, and subscribe to our channel for more great product reviews. If you have any questions or suggestions, drop them in the comments below, and I'll do my best to help you out. Until next time, drive safe and breathe easy.